$440 freaking dollars. So guys, I'm gonna be buying a car tonight for $440 freaking dollars. Like, just to put that in retrospect, this seat right here is a replica Recaro, just the passenger. This seat is like $350 or $400. It's replica. The real one in my car is $2,000. Like, what? So, as many of you know, I've done like 2 live streams where I was looking for cars, and you know, once I mentioned doing Razor's Mustang and stuff like that, and I really wanted to get like an RX-7 FC or an MR2, and like, you know, I have enough money to buy like a car for like under $4 grand basically. But basically what it came down to is I'm just gonna get a really cheap beater so I can drive to work and stuff. That's really it. And luckily Craigslist, there's a lot of cars under $1 grand. So I'm gonna be getting a sweet mint 1993 Nissan Sentra with 188,000 miles on it. Because I figured, hey, like if anything, there's more potential in the M3 than any project car that I get. So it's just better for me to put the money into the car first. And then later on, like when the M3's like done-ish, you know, then we can like get another project car or something. I don't know, I think it's the right choice, personally speaking, you know, because I am going to get the car back in like a week. I missed the delivery today for the carbon fiber roof, so it's coming tomorrow, and then the dash flock kit is coming tomorrow, and then I'll get the car maybe this weekend, or maybe next, like middle of next week, and then I can spray the interior white, do all that crap, take out the windows, peel the roof, do the carbon roof, do the Lexan windows, just do a bunch of crap, you know? So I'm in the Honda Accord. Rachel's getting an aux cord, the Honda Accord being my mom's. We're gonna drive this in Manhattan. Cool scenery at night. I have 2 New Jersey plates I'm gonna throw on it. Obviously super illegal because the car's not registered or insured, but usually you get by and you don't get pulled over. It's just to get the car home. If the car's modified, it's sketchy, but like a stock car like that, no cop is gonna read the plate or anything. And then I just have an easy pass to use on the turnpike, and some tools in case it breaks, which it will probably. Maximum, I think. So as you can see, we're in New York now, trying to find the car. It's somewhere on this 18th Street or something. So take a look at it. It's weird. I can't believe people actually have owned cars here. It's horrible. You can't find parking anywhere, and if you can, it usually costs money. No, it's a Maxima. I don't even know how the car looks. I mean, I do know how it looks. It's a beige Sentra, but I think that's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah. What a Johnny. Oh, I just thought the right car.
Your oil filter, you got your spark plugs, and basically that's it. So, you know, basic tune-up.
Yeah.
To get it going, because sometimes it's like a cold start. And you gotta turn it off and turn it back on, and it'll start right back up.
Yeah.
That's because of spark plugs and all that.
That's how my car was too, actually. It was the fuel pump that ended up dying.
Oh, it was the fuel pump?
Yeah, but either way, yeah, I know what you mean. I've dealt with it all. I'm not like, if that happens, it's not like it's like, oh, the car's broken. Like, I understand. Like, it's fine.
I mean, like I said, I was driving it daily here.
Yeah.
Sometimes my wife takes it. She goes to Long Island.
How come do you drive it? You can't get here using like just the subway and stuff like that? Like the door.
Yeah.
The squeaky.
That's the belt, man.
Yeah, no, I know.
That's real minor. It's what, $9, $10 for the gasket? I don't know how much.
And it never overheats on you or anything?
No.
Okay.
No. What you could do is, I haven't checked the fluids in a while. So.
Right.
So
I mean, it looks like it leaks some radiator fluid right there, so I assume it's probably the seal in the hose.
Okay. Yeah.
Once again, it's the hose. It's like $30 to $50,
right?
Probably, or the clamp is going bad. Either or.
Right.
It's not really a big issue to me.
Probably would like put some air in the tires.
Yeah.
Get it up to because I think one of them was low.
That back right one, I think.
Yeah, because it was sliding a little bit on the way here.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit, it needs some air. But, you know, I was like, it's not good in the rain.
So, signed the title. Well, I didn't sign it, he signed it, but I have a car. Yeah, we're just gonna go get. We're gonna go get the plates from the Accord and just put them on, and get the Easy Pass and all that crap. It has a radio too, surprisingly. Things mint. Like if I really want it, I could just like put it on Craigslist for like 1,500 to 2,000 and make like double, triple profit. It has so many parts with it, like new suspension, spark plugs, bushings, everything. I could just put it on and have a mint car. And just like that, guys. God damn it, this dashboard sucks. Hey guys, so we got a car, Baller Mobile. Oh yeah, this thing needs a lot of stuff, suspension-wise. Luckily, it's all in the trunk. This is so sketchy, holy crap. Literally going 40 miles an hour, and if I let go of the wheel, we just veer to the left and die. Sit rep, 60 miles an hour, the whole thing shakes like crazy. Finally made it to the New Jersey Turnpike. I'm about 15 minutes away from home, but holy hell. Engine and transmission, honestly solid, but suspension-wise, no. But luckily, like I said already, that's been addressed. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I am gonna go home now. We just got Wawa and I filled up all the tires. I realized one of the tires is actually showing wire, so that's nice. So yeah, tomorrow I'm probably, hey, the carbon roof is coming, so expect that in tomorrow's video. But on top of that, go car, go! I'm gonna do like a daytime walk around because there's no point, like I have that clip that you just saw, but there's really no point of seeing anything else, so we'll do an update tomorrow. It's a 1993 Sentra, as I said. I think it's the base model, I really don't know. It has a 4-cylinder. The gas needle hasn't even moved in this entire hour-and-a-half drive. It's really good on gas. It's like 30 to 35 mpg most likely. So, you know, I ain't mad. $400. That Uber ride would have cost like $80, $90, but here I have my own car.